Good morning everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Eco Adda Way to Economics. Today we start NCERT Class 11 Part A Statistic in Economics Chapter 1 Introduction. Let's start with some related terms. When you buy goods, you are called consumer. जब भी कोई सामान खरीदता है तो वो कंज्यूमर कहलाता है. Second, when you sell goods to make a profit for yourself, you are called a seller. जब भी आप कोई किसी गुड को बेचते हो for the profit purpose, then you are known as a seller. Third, when you produce goods, you are called producer. जब हम किसी गुड को प्रोड्यूस करते हैं तब हम प्रोड्यूसर कहलाते हैं. Understood? Next topic is service. Service is to doing work for someone. When you do something for another person, that is known as serving. There are two types of services. First, service holder and second, service provider. Service holders, when you are in a job working for some other person and you get paid for it, you are called service holder. जब आप कोई जॉब करते हो या किसी के लिए काम करते हो एंड उसके एक्सचेंज में आपको पेमेंट मिलती है, then you are called a service provider. Whereas service provider, when you provide some kind of services to others for a payment, you are called service providers. So जब आप किसी को सर्विस के लिए रखते हो और उसको पेमेंट करते हो, then you are a service provider. So when you get payment, you are a service holder, and when you give payment to the others, then you are a service provider. Now let's move on. Next topic is economic activities. It includes activities of monetary gain. Ordinary business for life means that the person involves in an economic activity with the motive of profit. So जो भी लोग economic activities में involve होते हैं, their main motive is to earn profit, also known as monetary gain. For example, एक production factory है जो toys बनाती है. So it is an economic activity क्योंकि उसका ultimate goal जो है वो profit earn करने का है. वो अपने toys loss में तो बेचेगा नहीं. So next topic is consumption. Consumption is defined as the use of goods and services by an individual. So एक individual जितना भी good and services को consume करता है, that is known as consumption of an individual. Second point, when the consumers decide by a given his income and many alternative goods to choose from what to buy when he knows the price, this is the meaning of consumption. So it means when we consume goods or services, it is known as consumption of goods or service. When the income is fixed and the consumer need to decide what to buy within his given income, then the situation occurred is known as the consumption. Understood? Now the next topic is production. It is the process of producing goods and services. While production, the producer chooses what to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce. कोई भी प्रोड्यूसर किसी भी गुड को बनाने से पहले ये सोचता है कि उसे क्या चीज़ प्रोड्यूस करनी है और उसे वो कैसे प्रोड्यूस करेगा और उसे किसके लिए प्रोड्यूस करना है. When he knows the cost and the prices of the goods and services, this is the meaning of production. So प्रोड्यूसर को बिफोर प्रोडक्शन बहुत सारी प्लानिंग करनी पड़ती है, जैसे कि जो गुड प्रोड्यूस होगा उसके मार्केट में डिमांड है भी या नहीं, क्या वो जब गुड्स को बेचेगा तो उसको प्रॉफिट मिलेगा, उस गुड्स के लिए उसे क्या क्या रॉ मटेरियल लगेगा, ये सारी प्लानिंग उसे प्रोडक्शन से पहले करनी पड़ती है. टॉपिक इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. It is a process of making goods and services available to all the consumers. So distribution एक ऐसा प्रोसेस है जो goods and services प्रोड्यूस हो रही है हमारे सोसाइटी में, वो सब कंज्यूमर्स को अवेलेबल हो भी रही है या नहीं. So there should be an equal distribution among all the citizens of the society. Second point, it may be in the form of wages, salaries, profits and interest. For example, international trades and investment. When we are aware with the national income or the total income. So distribution किसी भी form में हो सकता है, wages, salary or in the form of interest. Understood? Thank you for watching this video. Also comment down if you have any query regarding this video. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And one more thing कि videos पे views आते हैं but आप like नहीं करते हो. So please like the videos if you like the content and the efforts. And see you in the next video.